Have you ever finally found a parking spot for your e-bike, only to walk away and still look back again and again, just to make sure it's still there? And sometimes you come back and it's gone. Or maybe you parked at a car park where nearby the busy train or metro station. And after a long day, you return to a mass of bikes and can't even find yours. Or a friend wants to borrow your bike. But you're busy, you're not there, and there's no way to unlock it remotely. The real problem isn't the bike. It's losing connection when you walk away. Bluetooth was never designed for distance.
But the good news is, and the C60X solves these problems. Before we go further, let's take a closer look. This is the C60X display kit. It includes a display, control button, rubber rings, screws, screwdriver, and IoT controller. To unlock all IoT features, it needs to be used with the IoT controller. For the controller installation, you can find a detailed guide on our channel. First, we'll install the display. The C60X display supports the Canvas protocol. It requires connecting two connectors, so make sure to match the colors correctly. At first glance, the C60X looks like a typical display. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. Assist level adjustment. Real-time speed. Headlight control. Walk assist. Ride data. 25 kilometers per hour speed limit shortcut. Everything feels familiar. But the real difference starts here. The best way to prevent theft is simple. Your bike needs to tell you what's happening in real time. But many EBikeconversion kit smart solutions on the market rely on Bluetooth. They only work when your phone is nearby. Once you're out of range, most features stop working. The C60X with its IoT system is different. Even when you're away from your bike, it stays connected. Because it works independently through major 4G networks across Europe. Your smart features stay online, whether you're in the city or out in the countryside. It also supports multiple global satellite systems. So, no matter where you are in Europe, your e-bike can be accurately located at any time. If you open the signal section in the settings, you'll see that the C60X already has built-in connectivity and positioning. So it's no longer just displaying data. It becomes part of how the entire bike is managed. Now, let's connect the C60X IoT system to your phone and make it part of your bike. Scan the QR code on the display to download the eBike Link app to your phone. After downloading the eBike Link app, first register with your email. This means you'll be the primary owner of the bike. After registering, you'll enter the app's home screen. Here, you can find the main power switch, headlight control, defense switch, dashboard, cycling data, inspection, Bluetooth status, satellite connection, and real-time battery level. In the center, you'll find the message panel. It shows all the alarm messages, low battery notifications, and a beginner guide. In the profile section, you can set up the geofence, access the Bluetooth OTA tool, find help if you run into issues, and view app information and settings. The settings include personal information and language preferences. In real life, this is where the C60X really makes a difference. You always know where your bike is, no more searching. When you leave your bike, just turn on defense mode. If someone tries to move it, you'll get an instant alarm. You will also know where your bike being vibrated. You can even remotely disable the power button. So even if someone knows the password or breaks the lock, the bike still won't provide assistance. If your friend wants to borrow your bike, you can unlock it remotely, so your friend can access and use the bike. If a friend you don't know well or your child uses your e-bike, you can set up a geofence in the app to receive alerts. You will get an instant alarm if the bike goes beyond the set range. This alarm also lets you see your e-bike's real-time location. The dashboard feature keeps your ride simple and focused. With direct control right from your phone. Your phone can also become your riding database. It automatically records every ride, how far you went, how fast you rode, and how many calories you burned. And even if you change your phone, there's nothing to worry about. All your ride history is stored in your account, ready to view anytime. And if the battery is running low, you'll be notified right away. Many thieves start by cutting the power to the display. But even if the cable is disconnected, the C60X still keeps working. That's because it has a built-in LOT battery for communication, which can continue running for hours. So protection doesn't stop the moment power is cut. There's another key feature of the C60X display. It keeps getting better over time, just like your smartphone. New features can be added through over-the-air updates. On top of that, it also supports system inspection. It continuously monitors your bike's condition and enables remote service support. So if something goes wrong during your ride, technicians can diagnose and even update your system remotely, saving you the trouble of repairs and shipping. In addition, if you run into any issues, you can provide feedback directly to our software team. So you're never left without support. Finally, the IoT data and service plan can be managed directly in the app. You can top up anytime, with better value on higher plans. The first year is free, and you can cancel the subscription at any time. The C60X display is no longer just about showing speed. It continues to protect your ride, even when you're away from your bike. If smarter e-bike conversion kit solutions matter to you, stay tuned to our channel. So please like, save, and subscribe. Your support truly motivates us. You're also invited to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and join the discussion with our community. Want to learn more about the Varstrom? Simply Google Varstrom to explore further.